everybody. We are doing spring cleaning today. So we have the deck that has to be cleaned. We got the power washer out for that. We do got everything off, and we're gonna organize all of our pots and get the garden cleaned so we're ready for this spring and this summer.
Right here that the moss is just penetrated pretty deep. So tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and do another round of the pressure washing to hopefully get as much of that as possible, and then if I can't get it up, maybe I'll have to go in and sand it down, but that is the plan for now. Just kidding, it's not tomorrow, it's the same day.
Wow, we're already working on it.
I keep looking at this area and the line.
There's a line where the rug used to be, so we have to gotta get that out of here right now.
We must. Bunch of random pots that need to be cleaned and organized. Now that we have the shed built, we can store them away properly. I just finished cleaning the front of the house with the pressure washer. We did the deck and the sides of the house yesterday. I'm going to clean up the buckets, and then we'll be able to put stuff back on the deck, and when we're ready to stain, we'll take it off, stain it, seal it, and then put everything back on. But that will be for a different day.
got everything cleaned. We power washed this deck. There was a lot of algae on there, so we got a lot of that off. We had all those pots that we cleaned up. Those are ready now for the garden, and we can't wait to get started. It's gonna be raining for the next week or so we wanna wait for that to clear up. We stain and seal this thing so we don't have that issue again. And really, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.